Hello, I'm Karen Miller, a physical therapist assistant, and I'm going to show you some calf stretches to help manage your plantar fasciitis pain. These stretches can be done 1 or 2 times a day, and we recommend doing them every single day. Another important part of managing plantar fasciitis is stretching. It is important to stretch the calf and the Achilles. I like to use a calf stretcher a few times a day to help manage the pain. This can be used in sitting, and it will stretch the calf and the Achilles so that your pain will be managed throughout the day. I would use this daily. Another way to stretch without having to use any equipment is in standing with the affected foot behind you, keeping the knee straight and pressing down through the ball of your foot and getting a stretch along the underside of your foot. You can hold this stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and perform a few times a day. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found our information helpful. If your pain persists, please contact your physician.